What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we're going to unbox some brand new 2021 Hot Wheels 10 packs with some really exclusive Hot Wheels mainlines. And we'll start it off with this first Hot Wheels 10 pack. We've got some great looking cars inside. Let's go ahead and pop it open, and I'm going to show you some cool ones that we have not seen before, just a few of them here. So let's go ahead and pop it open, and we'll go ahead and take out the packaging right here, and let's start it off with one that we have right on top right here. And this one I believe is called Electro Silhouette. That's right, it is Electro Silhouette. There it is on the back, so a nice looking new fantasy casting. Actually, we've seen this one before, but still not bad to see some new color variations to stuff of Electro Silhouette. And then next up we've got, it looks like Cyber Speeder, if I'm correct here. Yeah, it is Cyber Speeder. There we go, Cyber Speeder right there. That's a nice new color of Cyber Speeder. Kind of cool looking greenish, kind of like a goldish tint to it. We've got gold wheels on there, really shiny ones on there. And then this is our exclusive car for the pack. We've got this Volkswagen Beetle, but still we have another really good one coming up here. So this is a custom Volkswagen Beetle yellow. This is kind of that special color of the pack that they always put up in the top corner. So not too bad, kind of a neat looking one if you like the Volkswagen Beetles. But this for me is the highlight car for this case right here. It's the Audi RS5 Coupe in white, brand new color variation. I love to see these white Audis that they have. We've gotten the R8 Spider in white, and now we get the RS5 Coupe in white. So very cool. Love the detail, love that like carbon fiber type of roof look. The gray wheels on there looks absolutely fantastic. Nice looking tempo works. This one we have not seen in the main lines yet for this color variation. We've seen this color before in the main, or this casting in the main line, but we'll definitely have to see this color reach the Hot Wheels mainline cases very soon. We'll find out shortly though. And next up we've got the Hot Wheels Dream Mobile right here. So that's a cool looking new casting that we were seeing lately. We're getting some new recolors of it this year. This is the newest recolor of it. We did see this one, I believe, in the A case though. So we've seen that one before. Then we've got the 2Jet Z. There's a new color for the 2Jet Z. There's the black one, and it's got like that shark fin stuff on the side of it, like kind of the shark bite. We originally saw this one as a silver one, I believe. And if you guys aren't familiar with this casting, this is the Hot Wheels Legends Tour 2018 winner. So there we go. So they made it into the Hot Wheels casting. It's a really cool looking one. Nice looking casting. Kind of looks like it's like a jet. That's a car. 2Jet Z. There we go. 2Jet Z. There you go. And then we've got the Porsche 944. This is a brand new color of the Porsche 944. We've got the silverish gray, and this is the Magnus Walker edition. We did see this one in the B case, but we've got it in this 10 pack now. I like these gold wheels on there. It looks really cool. And next up we've got what is this one called? I'm not even sure what this is called. Don't see it on the bottom. Can't remember the exact name of this casting. If you guys know the name of this casting, type it in the comment section down below. But nice looking wheels on this one. Very neat. And next one we have is, I think this is this Paradox? Paradox, is it? Let's see here. Nope, it is Slingshot. My bad. There we go, Slingshot. There is Slingshot, the Hot Wheels race team coloring and logos on the side of it, and these crazy wheels on there with the wheel and tire combination. Nice looking tinted out roof and stuff, and tinted out windshield, windows, and all that good stuff right there. We'll put that one aside. And our last one is the Hot Wheels Art Cars El Camino. There is the Art Cars El Camino. We saw this one in our B case, but very nice. I love the coloring and stuff on there. Just really neat. I love all these Hot Wheels art cars. They're really nice to see all the different graphics and stuff that they put on the side of them. And here is our next 10 pack, and we've got a very special car in this one. Can you spot it yet? Can you spot it? Oh, we're not going to show you. We're not going to show you. Let's go ahead and pop open this case. We'll cut this one open this time so it's a little bit cleaner than me just tearing it open here. And we'll go ahead and just slide it on by right here. We'll put that aside, and we'll start it off with our car right up top right here. And I can't remember the name of this one. This is the Governor. That's right. I was remembering that. The Governor. The Governor with the number 5 on the side of it. Nice looking color for this one. Very all plastic body. Some of these fantasy castings they do make in the plastic bodies, but nonetheless, not a bad looking casting. I really like these wheels. I'd like to see that wheel tire combination, the color of that on some other newer cars. That would be really neat to see it on like a hypercar or something. Very, very cool. Love the colored lip on those with the blacked out look on there. We've got another Hot Wheels Dreammobile or Mattel Dream Machine. Mattel Dreammobile. I can't remember. What did they actually call it? Yeah, Mattel Dreammobile. That's what it is. So another one of those ones, which we already saw that one. And then looks like we've got an exclusive Dodge Charger. Or no, so Challenger. Dodge Challenger. My bad. Dodge Challenger. There it is. Dodge Challenger with the Dodge logo on the side of it. Nice looking color. We've got the nice roof on this one right here. And there's the bottom all blacked out right there. What year does it say it from? 08 Dodge Challenger. There we go. The 08 Dodge Challenger. So one of our original release ones. We got lots of different colors of these ones, but it's a nice looking casting. Nice to see some more of those ones. And then our next one, I believe this one is a GTO. I think it's a GTO. It doesn't say on the bottom right here exactly what this one is. I like this color though. I like the blacked out wheels with that chrome lip on there. It's a very classic look. Like to see that on more different cars that we come out with as well. But our next one, the Koenigsegg Jesko. That's right, we got a brand new recolor of the Koenigsegg Jesko, and this one's in like a dark gray color. And what I really like, and I've said before that I want to see on the Jesko, is more color like that. So more like that stripe highlighting color, because I'd like to see that on the side. I feel like the side still looks a little bit plain. I'd love to see that more striping color, but nonetheless, I do really, really like this color variation. We actually have the original color variation just right back here, so we can get a little bit of a comparison of the two right here. So there's our original one in the silver, and now we've got the dark gray. So same wheels, I believe it is, except the original release has chrome, and these ones are like just a darker gray color, so they kind of match the darker gray. But I don't know, guys. You guys comment down below. Which is your favorite color of the Koenigsegg Jesko? Do you like the original one in that silver, or do you like the new dark gray variation? This one we'll probably see in a mainline case coming up very soon, but we see it first in these Hot Wheels 10 packs. So very, very cool. Such an awesome casting. I know how much you guys love these Koenigsegg's, so it's nice to see more colors of it, and I'm sure we'll get more of them again in the future. And next up, we have the Triumph TR6 with the number 54 on the side, the green all around it. Very, very cool looking casting. It's cool with that removed windshield. It's a very race car-ish look, and I've said this before, it kind of looks a little bit like a 60s Mustang casting. It almost looks very, very similar to a 60s Mustang, but nonetheless, still a nice looking car. Then we've got a Mini Cooper. We've got lots of different recolors of the Mini Cooper. There's another one, and we got, look at that, the checkers on the top of it. That actually looks really cool. I like that. I like the checkered look on the top of it. And all these Mini Coopers, they remind me of Mr. Bean. They're just, it's the classic Mr. Bean car. That's how I kind of think of it. That's how it got popular. I feel like it's definitely a Mr. Bean car. I love it, love it, love it. We've got also a really cool Lamborghini Gallardo. Nice to see this back into this case here. We've seen this one previously in our 2020. It's a recolor, but definitely a nice color to this. And I love the wheels. I love these like yellow highlighted wheels. When they spin, it just looks so cool. It just looks like it's going so fast. Wonder if we can get these both to spin. There you go. So you can kind of get a good idea of what it looks like when it's moving. Lamborghini Gallardo. Nice to see that one back in a 10 pack though. There we go. And then we've got another Cyber Speeder. So same one that we saw in the previous case. There it is, the Cyber Speeder with the yellow, kind of a yellowish tinted wheel with white, and then we've got the gold on the front of it though. Pretty cool, Cyber Speeder. And then we've got, I think this one is Shark Cruiser. There we go, another color of Shark Cruiser here. There's the top. Look at the design on the top of it. It looks almost like kind of like the native Indian design. Kind of like that, kind of like the totem and pole and stuff like that. So I'm not sure where that's exactly inspired from, but if you guys know more information on that, let me know in the comment section down below. I really like it though. I think it looks cool. I like the design on it. I think it looks really neat, but there we go. Awesome, awesome. Look at that. Just such a neat looking casting, isn't it? Right? And our last 10 pack that we have to open up right here, we've got a Lamborghini. We've got some new recolors in this one. So let's go ahead and pop this one open right here. And I've gotten down how to cut these a little bit better with my knife right now, so let's go ahead and pop that one open. And you know what? We'll start it off with our Lamborghini. Why not? Here it is. Lamborghini Centenario Roadster in red. Very gloss red. I love it. I love it. We have seen this one before, but nonetheless, it's nice to have another one in this 10-pack. And this color variation, I'm obsessed. I love the red with black. It looks really, really good. It's a great looking color combination. So nice to see that Centenario recolored. And another red card that we have, which I'm also excited about. We saw this one in our previous case, but it is the Volvo 850 Estate, and we've got this new glossy red color of this one. I didn't like the previous ones that were a little bit too, the previous release was like a gray with a lot of dirt and stuff like that. I don't know, it looked like dirt. It was just like a dirty looking casting, but nonetheless, I love the clean look of the new red Volvo 850 Estate. So we've got that one. We'll put that one aside, and then let's see what else we have up top here. We've got a Lotus Esprit, and kind of a weird looking color. I guess it is like the British Racing Green, if I'm not mistaken, but there we go. The mesh wheels on there, so that's definitely a new color. This casting's been around for a long time, but nice to get some new recolors of it. Why not? Can't complain. And this is the quote-unquote special car of the pack, or the special recolor of the pack. It looks like a Ford Thunderbolt. Does it say in the bottom? Yes, it is. Ford Thunderbolt. There we go. We got that one. Awesome. Love it. Like the cowl hood on the Thunderbolts. And these ones are known to be white in real life, like the classic white racing color for this one. But nonetheless, I like the new recolor of this one. Blacked out wheels with the gold lip on there. We'll throw him aside. Then we've got the black Acura NSX. This is the 2017 Acura NSX. A nice, very, very glossy black look to this one right here. You can see the nice tampo work for the lights in there. The gray wheels look fantastic for this one. Nice looking tampo work and stamping on the front of it. Just an all around good looking casting, the Acura NSX. And then we've got the I believe this one is like the Volt, Super Volt, that's what it is. So I think it's actually a Chevy Volt. It says trademark GM, so yes, it is a Chevy Volt, but Super Volt meaning it's the drag car for it. So you can see that it's got like that parachute on the back of it. Even the graphics, they do kind of look like a Volt type of moving electricity of some sort on the side of it. Big electric engine on the front of it, and then we've got the chrome interior on the Super Volt. Cool looking black wheels with the colored lip on there. And then we've got another one of the Shark Cruisers. I believe it is the Shark Cruiser. Yes, it is Shark Cruiser. There we go. So it's the same one that we saw previously in the previous case. So very, very cool casting. I like that one. You guys know that. And we've got the Nissan, I think this is the 180SX, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Nissan Silvia S13. Whoa, I was a little bit off, but very close. Nissan Silvia S13. Look at the graphics and color on the side of this one. Gold mesh wheels. Great looking cast. A lot of these 80s and early 90s JDM cars that are coming out, they just look great. Love to see them to the Hot Wheels lineup. And then we've got this one right here, and this one is, what is this one called? F1 Racer. It is F1 Racer. There we go. So it's Hot Wheels variation of an F1 car. So it's not an officially licensed F1 car, but it definitely does look cool. Kind of fits with like the Indy oval for the Indy cars and the F1 cars. So very cool looking one. And our last car that we have today right here is Project Speeder. That's right. We've seen this casting before, but nonetheless, I love to see this new recolor of it. And this one's a very gloss black look, and then it looks like it's like supposedly slightly beat up and stuff on the side. That's just how this casting is supposed to be. You can see how the front fenders are like kind of removed. It looks super aggressive. It's got that chrome exposed engine on there. Just a really neat looking car. Look at that. Even it looks like, is that a parachute on the back? It is a parachute on the back of it as well, but very cool. All right, guys, there is all of the cars that we opened up and unboxed today and took a close-up look at. I've got my 4 favorites right here in the front. We've got the Audi RS5 Coupe in white. I really like that. We've got the Koenigsegg Jesko, new recolor of that one. We've got the Lamborghini Gallardo. Love the Lambos, of course. And we've got the Centenario Roadster, the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. Guys, comment down below which one was your favorite. If it was maybe not one of these 4, maybe it was one of the other ones, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.